Hey now, I'm back with an exclusive trading system that shows a lot of promise over a series of 100 trades. And if you watch through the end of this video, I am going to share my thoughts on how to make it perform even better. Just subscribe to this channel before something unexpected happens to your trading account. I call this system the Voluble Scalp. And like most trading systems, it can be adapted to Forex, crypto, options, stocks, indices, or any instrument that has significant volume and market participants. This trading strategy utilizes 3 free TradingView indicators. As always, links and settings to all indicators are listed in the description. The first set of indicators are super trends. The first super trend will be kept at default setting and style. The second super trend will be set to the 1 hour time frame and the style will not be changed. The 1 hour super trend will confirm the higher time frame trend, and the standard super trend will provide our entry triggers. The second free TradingView indicator is the stochastic RSI. Inputs and style will be kept at default. The stochastic RSI will be used as an entry filter. Let's go over entry criteria and review some examples. As always, system rules and details are listed in the description below. This chart is Bitcoin versus the US dollar 5-minute candles. The rules to enter along on the Voluble Scalp are: first, there must be a 1 hour bullish super trend signified by these green dots. Second, there must be hidden bullish divergence on the stochastic RSI. We can see a higher low on price and a lower low on the stochastic RSI. Finally, we are looking for a 5-minute super trend buy signal. Our rules are met when this candle closes. That is our trigger candle. We place our stop at the 5-minute ATR line and target 1 to 2. When 1 to 1 is hit, move the stop to break even. And this one stops out at break even, which in this test we will count as a win. If you enjoy this content, make sure to click the like button. I have one more long example. First, we can confirm a 1 hour bullish super trend, which are these green dots. Second, there is hidden bullish divergence on the stochastic RSI, a higher low on price and a lower low on the oscillator. Sometimes it can be hard to spot divergences with this particular indicator, but at the end of this video, I will share some ideas on how to make it clearer. Finally, we get a 5-minute super trend buy signal. Everything converges on this candle and it serves as our trigger. The stop is placed at the super trend line and the target is 2 times risk. When the 1 to 1 level is hit, move the stop to break even. And this example hits the target on a very bullish candle. Now we flip to shorts. This is what I will test for shorts. First, the 1 hour super trend indicator is bearish. Then we can see a hidden bearish divergence on the stochastic RSI, a lower high on price and a higher high on the indicator. Third, there is a 5-minute super trend sell signal. Everything converges on this candle. That is our trigger. The stop is placed at the 5-minute super trend line and our target is 1 to 2. When the 1 to 1 level is hit, move the stop to break even. And this example hits the target. I'm going to show you one more quick short example. There is a 1 hour super trend sell signal. We have hidden bearish divergence on the stochastic RSI. And then we get a 5-minute super trend sell signal. This is our trigger candle. The stop is placed at the 5-minute super trend ATR level and the target is 1 to 2. When price goes to 1 to 1, move the stop to break even. And we get a huge candle that takes us out at our profit target. I'm going to share with you some great ideas on how we can improve this system along with a trader's landing score. And now it's time to do what I do. If you enjoy this content, hit the like button. Remember, this is just 100 tests on one instrument. If you are thinking of using the system, please do extensive back and forward testing and be sure to let our community know what you discover. This test was done on Bitcoin versus the US dollar 5-minute Japanese candlesticks. It took just over 4.5 months to find the 100 trades. Due to an error when I was using the replay feature, the test was broken down into 2 separate continuous parts. That being said, all break-even trades counted as winners, giving us a win rate of 65%, in which there were 10 consecutive winners, which greatly contrasts to the 4 losing setups in a row. The profit factor was a wonderful 2.4 with a maximum drawdown of 5.1%, risking 2% per trade. The gross gain on account was a very healthy 98%. The equity curve here is indicative of a trend-following system deployed during strong trends. And if we place all of the 5-minute trades on the 4-hour chart, we can see just that. This gap in the middle is what I referred to earlier. You can see this caused the test to miss part of this very nice mode of move, a consolidation, and a very nice strong impulsive move down. I give this system a Trader's Landing score of 8 because it uses the combination of higher and lower time frame trends in addition to a dynamically derived stop loss level, and is a good base to build a system from. Remember, the enemy of great is good. I have 6 ideas on how we can improve this system. First, when you see pullbacks in a trend with a bunch of buy signals, it can be an indication that you need to increase the time frame. This will give you more reliable signals. Converse to the first point. If you see an extremely impulsive move, you can lower the values in the super trend settings to get more valid signals. You can see a more sensitive indicator is better for fast-moving markets. Third, you can change the way to manage your trade, such as changing your stop-loss level to the higher time frame super trend, or taking part of your position off when 1-to-1 is hit. Another way to take profit is by using a trailing stop for, say, 1/3 of your position, which will enable you to participate in huge market moves. Fourth, the super trend is binary and always in a buy or sell state. Therefore, when in obvious consolidation, the signals are extremely weak. Do not trade charts that look like this. Furthermore, as you develop your own trading system, it must allow you to participate in obvious market moves like these. But you can see we only get one signal. This is an indication that your system may not be optimized. Sometimes, and especially on a stochastics-based indicator, it is hard to spot divergences. Instead, you can use a study like Divergence for Many Indicators, which I have previously tested, that can spot them for you. If you want to support this channel and the work I am doing here, in addition to connecting with some like-minded traders, I encourage you to check out our Circle community where we are discussing all things trading. And have a great day, because you deserve it.